Hello everyone, we continue for inequality, for linear inequality and their graphs. Okay, this example I will give you, we call compound compound inequalities. Compound means combine, right? So you see this one right now, question give us two inequalities. One y greater than or equal to x minus 3 and, okay, C and mean intercept. Okay, after you plot graph, you have to find the intercept areas. Okay, find the shaded area, the intercept one. And the other one, the other inequality is y minus 2 less than negative 1 or 2x. So I will use the, I will simplify at like a pattern, right? Like a y can be less than, greater than, or greater than like this, right? To mx plus b like this, or less than equal. So I will make in this pattern, correct? So means make a move one y and the one side and the other terms on the another side. Okay, so this one is already there in the pattern, so I leave in that way. But this one not yet. So I move this one y less than negative 1 over 2 plus 2. Now, okay, sorry, x and this one plus 2. Okay, so we got the in the pattern already. Okay, so now we start to next step is find x intercept, y intercept. That's all. To find x intercept. X intercept, that means y equals to 0. So when you find x and the y intercept, you can write as equal sign first. It's okay, correct? So I replace in here, okay, this equation. So y becomes 0 equal to x minus 3. So x equal to 3. Okay, so I got x intercept. X intercept, if you line the pair, become what? x3, y0, right? Okay, now after this, you get y intercept. Y intercept, x becomes 0. So y equal to negative 3. So I become x0 become what? Y negative 3. So x intercept pair is what? When x0, y negative 3. Once you have this one, right? You can work on this side first, it's okay, right? So we work on here, on the in the other one. So this one, find x intercept y equal to 0, but side right become 1 over 2x and plus 2. Then x become 4. So in this case, we have already x intercept, the pair of intercept become x4, y0. Okay, become x4, y0. Because y0 here, x4 here. So now we find y intercept. X becomes 0, so equal to 2. So the y intercept point x0, y2. Okay, x0, y2. Now we can start to plot graph now. Plot graph, right? This one, x intercept for the first one, x is 3, right? 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3, maybe here, 3, right? And that's the x intercept we have here. And then y intercept, x0, y3. So it's about here, negative 3. So when you have these 2 points, you can plot, you draw one line, linear. Okay. Then when you have this one, you label it y, this one, right? Y greater than x minus 3. And this one have this equal sign, so it's a dark line, right? Deeper color, no, not broken. Okay, this is a y, this is a x. Now you have this one. Then to plot this inequality, we have this one x intercept x4, y0, x4, 4 maybe around here. Okay, This is 4, x4, y0. And then x0, y2. So go up 1, 2, maybe around here. This is 2. Okay, this one, x4, y0, x0, y2. So then try to plot the line, draw the line. This one, this is the x-intercept, I mean y-intercept, this is the x-intercept for this graph. So you label it. This one belong to this one, right? This one belong to this one. So you write down y less than -1/2x plus 2. But again, this one no equal sign underneath, right? So this one have to be vocal line. Okay, this one have to be vocal line. Okay, so after this one, we can start to shade it, the region. Okay, so how we shade this for this case first, this one less than, right? Less than, so we know right away we shade it under the curve, under the line. This belong to this function, right? But then this one because less than, you see that less than here. So you can shade it below the linear line. Because less than, so you shade it below. You do like this, shade it. Or allow, okay? After this one, we go to this equation. This one, right? This one or this one, okay? Same thing, or this one. Because the side greater than, right? Greater than, so have to be above. You shade it above. So above here, go up, up, up. Okay. Once you have this one, you can tell answer for the final answer right away, right? For the final region or the area. So it should be here, right? Because it's an intercept here, you see that? Because the word and mean intercept. So should be inside in this area, this region, or allow here to infinite term. Okay. So after this one, you can answer like this one, point it out inside here. Okay, and say this is a final answer, write it down. When you work for the assignment, okay? Or you can do, if you don't use this way, you can do by, do like this, green color like this, right? Just a little bit is enough. And then blue color, go this cross. And then you say, so either way, you can label in this way. So every time you have to label the main point is enough. First one, when you got x-intercept, y-intercept, you point it out on the graph, right? Only the number is enough. And then after this, you just shaded the area. And then final answer, that's all. So that's about this question. Okay, so now go next one. Example, you see this one support the inequality graph, okay? But then this one, you see they have 2x minus y inequalities or and the inequality, this one. So you can see all mean union, right? When you plot graph, you will find the union, the union graph, correct? All mean union and mean intercept. Okay, so now is see this one. This one, if you don't, you see this one haven't been in the pattern y greater than or less than mx plus b. I mean mx plus b yet, right? So in this case, I want to move in this pattern first. It's easy because when we change the regions, we can do it right away. Okay, mx plus b like this. So I want to move in this pattern. okay, in the pattern. So from here, I can simplify it first, right? From the first one here. So I have this one. I write down this side. So this one 2x minus 3y less than equal to negative 6. So I can simplify 3y less than negative 2x negative 6, right? Then I need only one y. So I have y divided by negative 3 for every term for both sides, right? So when you concerned about negative 3, when you divide or time with the negative, you have to change this side, don't forget. Okay, this one really important. So you have to change this side. So become greater than or and equal. Okay, and then this one become negative 2 divided negative 3 become plus, will become 2 over 3x. And negative become plus, right? So 6 divided by 3, 3, 2, 6. This one, simplify this one. So this one gonna be here 2y, right? I want to move in the pattern again. So I have this one. So move x become minus x plus 4. Then y greater than or equal to be what? 1 over 2x plus 2, right? Start find this one. We can find x-intercept first, right? X-intercept y equal to 0. So we have 0 equal to negative 1 over 2x plus 2. So move this one become 1 over 2x equal to 2. Then x equal to 4. Okay, so that means we have x-intercept become x4, y0. Okay, so now we can start to find y-intercept x0. So x0, this is really fast. We got right away y equal to 2, right? So the coordinate point for y-intercept gonna be x0, y2. x0, y2. Okay, so from this one, we can work on this side, right, to get the y-intercept and x-intercept. You can do one at a time and plot up to you, okay? So it doesn't matter as long as you get the picture, okay? Now, this one, I want to find this one, right? X-intercept. Y becomes 0. So 0 equal to 2 over 3x plus 2. So y equal to 0. So this one y0, right? So you move this one right away to be negative 2 over 3x equal to 2, right? This one 0, okay? Then x equal to 2 times 3 divided by 2 have negative. So negative 3, okay? So we have x equal to negative 3. In this case, we got x-intercept become x negative 3, y0. Now we find y-intercept. X becomes 0. So we have a right away y equal to 2. Then y-intercept gonna be x0, y2. x0, y2. Okay, now we start to plot graph. This one we plot this one first, plot this graph first, okay? Plot this graph first. So this one x4, y0, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe somewhere here. Okay. And then this one y-intercept x0, y2. So go up 1, 2. So 2 is right here. Okay, when we have this graph, then we plot this one. This one. Plot this graph now, next one. So this one x negative 3. So 1, 2, 3 should be right here, negative 3. and then y-intercept for this one, x0, y2, or they meet at the same point. So now just plot it. X -3, y0, x0, y2. Okay. Now you got graph here. Okay. So this point is a 3, okay? -3. Okay, then this one you label y greater than or equal to 2/3x plus 2. Okay, and this one you label it. This one is y greater than equal also -1/2x plus 2. Okay, so after this we can start to shade it. For this graph is what? Greater than, right? Greater than, both of them have equal sign. So this is all the dark color. So the orange graph here, this one equality. Y greater than mean this one. So greater than, you just shade it up. Okay, you just shade it up. Like this one, shade it up. Okay, after this one, do the blue, the other inequality, the blue one here. Greater than also, you see that? The blue one greater than also, the orange greater than, right? So the blue greater than. So then this one shade up, okay, because above x, because the sign greater than. So this one, the blue color shaded up here. Okay, so this is a final graph. But then, sorry, so final you have to answer, right? Because this question, they say all, right? All mean union. So you have to answer all the shaded area here. This is the answer. Okay, so you final answer you have to write down all the shaded region. The final answer. Okay, that means all of this one. The one blank here, empty, not the answer. Okay, you have to give me final at this one also. Okay, the final answer, which region you have to write down or label for me. Okay, I think that's all for this one. How to plot inequality of and all. This talk about only linear. Okay, and then you can practice question. Okay, see you next class. Bye bye.